Daming order ah.
Oh, very European, no? Yung building. Kaso, welcome to Escolta, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Kami ngayon sa delicious restaurant sa Ongpin, sa Manila. We're exploring Manila for the 100th time. Pero ang purpose ko ngayon is magpagawa ng salamin. So, kukuha ko pa lang yan. Same pa rin naman yung grado, pero katulad ko, yung salamin ko is progresibo. Kaya po, gahanap kami ng Chinese. And this is where... So, dito tayo kumain before. Sarado na siya.
Yan.
Oh no. What's this? Ramon Lee. Ariedo, meron palang Palma Street. Welcome to Chinatown. Ayun, seafood. Seafood resto daw. Ayan o. Okay, this is a tea house. Ano naman to? And there's Eastern restaurant. King Jianbao. So, dito tayo sa delicious restaurant. Let's see if it's really.
Mauna ka na.
Wow, so many. Excited.
Daming order ah.
Kompleto to. Sobrang alam. Take out na lang. So the pancit is a bit dry but delicious nonetheless. This one looks interesting. It's talaba, no? Talaba, tortang talaba. Look how very interesting and tastes even better. Oh. Sarap yan. Ito naman sobrang lambot. And ito, yan yung soup na di mo in-expect na masarap. Akala mo walang kadating-dating.
Keep your head down, now stop.